for you. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Let's prepare some simple Christmas mocktail. So I have my kool tropical punch, my freshly squeezed orange and lemon juice, tangerine and lemon, and I have some crushed ice with some tangerine in my jar. So you can choose to use any fruits of your choice, but I always want to enjoy more citrics in my mocktails. So I drop my lemons in my jar. Now I add my orange juice, my tropical punch, then I add more orange juice, then I top it up with my tropical punch, and ta-da! Our simple Christmas mocktail is ready. Wouldn't you love to try this? Very simple, colorful, and nutritious, full of vitamins. So please try this. Serve your guests something sweet, something colorful, something full with vitamins, and they're gonna love it. Thank you so much. God bless you, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas. Love you, family. So see you in our next video. Bye bye.